This video is brought to you by VolunteerAudio.com, your #1 source for all things Harley Davidson audio. From individual radios, speakers, and amps to complete plug-and-play amp and speaker systems, we've got you covered. And once you've ordered your package from Volunteer Audio, it includes lifetime tech support. And we have the very best step-by-step installation video so you can install it yourself and save money. Hello, I'm Jay, owner of Volunteer Audio in Oliver Springs, Tennessee. In this video, we're going to show you how to remove your radio and your headlight on a 2015 to 2023 Harley Davidson Road Glide. Now, if you watched our previous video, we've already showed you how to remove the interfering, and as we go through this series, we're going to show you how to replace your speakers, how to add an amplifier, and all the steps it takes to do that to put an awesome audio system in your Road Glide. Let's talk about what we're going to need in tools for this section. We're going to need a 3/16 Allen head. This can be used to remove the bolts at the headlight and at the radio. We're also going to be using a panel removal tool to unsnap any connectors that are necessary. All right, let's get the video started. All right, first you're going to see us use our panel removal tool, and we're just going to unsnap this little bracket from the back or the top of the headlight so that we can remove the headlight. There are going to be 4 Allen head bolts. They're 3/16, 2 across the top of the headlight, as you see here. And then there'll be 2 at the bottom. So these can be very, very tight. You may think they're cross-threaded. They are not. They really are tight in that factory brass. Let's remove each one of those. Now normally, as you'll see in the video, if you look down, you'll see a fender protector over the fender. Lay a towel or something over the fender just in case you were to drop a tool, a bolt, or something like the headlight. We don't want it to dent the fender. Right, the bottom 2 bolts are normally very, very tight, especially if it's a new bike that's never been out before. Now the bike we're using in this video has a stock style headlight. It's very simple. It only has 1 plug on the back. Some of them will have, especially like the custom dynamics lights, will have multiple connectors or wiring leading up to the top. If you know you've replaced a headlight already, definitely follow those wires up and disconnect them. But in this case, we just have this one single connector you just saw. Moving on to the radio, we're going to unplug each one of the connectors, the USB, AM/FM antenna, and the GPS antenna. Each one have a small little push button you push on them to remove it. Now the radio connector is a little different. You push in a button and twist that locking tab to unplug it. Now onto the radio, we have 4 3/16 Allen head bolts going through the top here. I'm just going to remove each one of those. We're taking the radio out in this video because we're going to add an amplifier underneath it. It's much easier to see to take the radio out. If you were putting a new Soundstream radio, this would be the same process as well. As you see there, we got the radio out. We're ready for our next video where we're going to move on forward. We're going to show you how to remove the gas tank, how to put the amp in, how to route wiring, all the other steps that are needed. So continue to watch through this series. If you've got questions about audio for your Harley, definitely reach out to us at 1-844-30-AUDIO, and you can see all of our plug-and-play kits that are just so easy to install like you see in this video at VolunteerAudio.com. Please like this video. If you do, it's going to definitely help us. It moves us up in YouTube search standings, allows other people to find us, and it allows other people doing installs to get the help that you've just seen in this video. Definitely subscribe to our channel to see our other step-by-step videos, as well as some of our amazing installs and walkaways, the different events we attend, as well as the latest audio for your Harley. As it comes out, we're going to talk about it, we're going to show you the reviews, and go over it for you before anybody else sees it. Thank you so much for watching our channel, and as always, God bless.